Good morning. We are doing, it's 7:14 on Monday, October 26th. Gonna try to get this one in before baby show up. We are doing a 2-box, 1 random break. Teams are as follows: J-Legs, 49ers, Bucks. I got 4 or 5. Derek, Steelers, Texans, Packers, Jags, Chiefs, Redskins. Josh, Vikings, Bengals, Patriots, Falcons, Panthers, Seahawks. Keith, Colts, Giants, Bills, Jets, Broncos. E, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Eagles, Titans, Ravens, Chargers. Those are your teams. We got 2013 Gameday gallery, 4 autos on card, 199 or less, and then we got a 2015 history of football, which whoever gets that will lose 2 spots in the random. We got 1 random left out of I think we got 9 random hits left, so we'll random off those at random.org afterwards to the people who don't have hits. And let's get started. Good luck to everybody. I've had some luck with these in the past. I pulled the Eddie Lacy, I pulled a 1 out of 1 Alec Ogletree. I pulled all sorts of stuff. One pack. I don't know if these ones ever have 2. The other press pass, I know I opened one with 2 and that was wicked cool, but 4 on card numbered 199 and less. All the 2013 rookies. Wow. Those felt like being in pain. Okay. Here goes nothing. Good luck to everybody. First card. There's an Alec Ogletree. I believe he is a Ram, but I will double check. Numbered 15 out of 50. We already got the 101 for this, for Ogletree, so. I like the red look, looks pretty good. 15 out of 50, Alec Ogletree. I'll put that up. First round 2013 draft by the Rams. Yep. Okay, so that is going to go to E. There you go, E. Where are my random teams? I'm just looking at my randoms. So we gotta get rid of Rams out of there. Cowboys, Bears, Browns, Lions, Dolphins, Cardinals. Miami Dolphins. Okay. And again, if I grab one at the end accidentally out of the random, it'll go to the next spot. Next card. Three out of 99, Ryan Swope. I believe he is a Cardinal, and I believe he had to retire due to concussion issues. So I think I got the Cardinals, but not that excited about it. Would much rather have one of the others, like 2 or 3 Cardinals in here. Ryan Swope, 3 out of 99. So that will go with me. Cardinals should already be gone off the random. Next card. Long one for you, Derek. Long Packers running back. 33 out of 65. Jonathan Franklin. This so far has been a terrible box. I did just see the next card though. That is a nice card. So this box will pull through. $33 out of 55 for the Packers, Jonathan Franklin. Green Bay Packers lose you off the random, Derek. And there you go, Derek. 33 out of 65, sorry. Jonathan Franklin. And your last auto is the best one. A redemption for Le'Veon Bell. Nice hit, Derek. Is expired in theory, but I know they press pass is good with auto and stuff. I'll put that in a plastic sleeve for you. That is a nice auto. I think you have one of this exact one that you had to mail in before. That's pretty sweet. That's worth some bucks there for Le'Veon Bell. Steelers. I'll get Steelers out of the random. Random's starting to. Okay. So next, 2015. One signed 8x10. Always get nervous with these. Good luck to everybody. Rules are, as far as these go, generally speaking, there's only one signed on each one. If there's 2, which I don't think is ever going to happen, I think there's only a couple with 2. If I own one of them, I get the tiebreaker. Otherwise, I guess we'll do left or top. Otherwise, it's never going to come up. So, disclaimer is kind of useless, but just so that I say it, I guess we'll go left or top. If they're not one of mine, if they're dual. Like I said, never going to happen. That's cool. Dexter Jackson. Buccaneers going to J-Wags. Super Bowl 37 MVP. Recorded 2 interceptions in Super Bowl 37. Played Florida at College State, where he was all conference, all academic honors. Not a big hit, but a pretty cool one overall. J-Wags, I don't think will be too upset about it. Dexter Jackson. Buccaneers. So J-Wags will come off the random. J-Wags has had some luck with the signed 8x10. My gosh. Nothing else in there. Okay, so J-Wags will come out of the random. He loses 2 spots, which are both of his spots, 49ers and Bucks. Random's actually not very loaded. Okay, so I gotta randomize my last 9 hits first. 3 randomizations, and top 1 share. Top 1 gets it. There we go. Okay, randomize 3 times. Top 1 will be what I give away. 1 random, 2 random, 3 random. GMA graded rookie running back auto out of 50 plus an extra. GMA graded running back auto out of 50 plus extra. Let me go look at what the extra is. I know what the I know who the auto is. Gotcha. One second. Okay, this is not going to be as good as the Doug Martin one I gave away last week because he had a hell of a week. So the extra is a nice Sammy Watkins, Top Zavalla rookie card. Not much, but nice extra. And the hit is a Zapede, numbered out of 50, 27 out of 50, GMA graded 10, rookie auto, odd card. I don't know exactly what his status is. I know at the beginning of the year, I think he was the punter kick returner. I think he had a fumble, so I don't know if he's in the doghouse again. I saw him at Cincinnati. He was ridiculous. He hasn't translated to the pros at all, so we will see. I still got hope out for him. I got a couple autos of him, but we will see. So top 2 will get hits this time. Go back. Try again. Okay, let's randomize. Share my screen. Okay, here are your list of hit list teams. And we will do it 3 times, and top 2 will get the hits. Number 1 will be Isaiah Pede. Number 2 will be Sammy Watkins. 3. Denver Broncos. And then Minnesota Vikings are getting, so Vikings I know is Josh. Broncos are going to Keith, which I think means everybody got at least something. Well, that could be worse. So Broncos are getting the hit, which is going to Keith. So Keith getting Isaiah Pede, GMA graded 10, rookie card auto. Josh, Sammy Watkins, rookie card. Derek with Le'Veon Bell, Jonathan Franklin. I got that. Well, I know. Alec Ogletree going to E. And Dexter Jackson signed 8x10 going to J-Wags. J-Wags crushing the 8x10s. Okay, so that is going to do it. I will pack these up. I'll schedule one for 2 weeks from today. I'm guessing we won't have it, because I'm guessing I will have little ones by then. But you never know. So we'll schedule it, and we'll probably cancel it. But thanks again. Talk to you soon.